Boys, let's go, Marcus. Come on, Mark. Work, Mark, work. Should agree, baby. Yeah.
Work it, Mark.
Get it right there. Get it. Get that hand off. Get that hand off your arm. Get that hand off your arm. Get that hand off your arm.
Breathe, Mark, breathe.
Strike, Mark, strike! Put some strike, put some hurt on
Work,
there.
Mark. There you go. Throw some.
Come on, Mark. Strike him, baby. Come on. Good, work those hips up. He's going to strike you. You better strike him first.
Throw him, Mark.
Well, Bruce. Hit him, Mark. Let's go. Hit, Mark.
Hit. Hit him.
Archie back, strike him. You got nothing. You ain't got nothing. Let's go.
There you go, Mark. Work that.
There you go, Mark.
That key lock.
That key lock, baby. Come on.
Breathe, Mark. Breathe.
That's strike. There you go. Get team
Lock it
back.
up. Lock it up.
Mark, get the other hand.
Take it. Get his hand off your bicep. Let's go. Punch him. Punch him. Sweep underneath and punch him. He's stronger than he is. Let's go. Come on, Mark. Come on, Mark. Ain't got nothing, Mark. Punch him. Punch him. Put your hands in his face. Put your hands in his chin. Let's go. There you go.
Work that, Mark.
Put up your hips, Mark.
There you go.
Hey, squeeze his waist. Squeeze his waist like you do. Yeah. Watch it right through his mouth. There you go. Where's Mark?
Work that choke, Mark.
Lock it up. Breathe.
Breathe, Mark, breathe. Yeah, reverse.
Get it, Mark.
You got it, you got it.
Mark, you gotta do some of that leg first.
Finish it, Mark. Finish it, Mark.
Suck it in, you got it right there.
Breathe, Mark.
All right, guys, stand up, stand up, stand up.
Good.
Right.
Come on, Mark. Get low, Mark. Get low. Get him. Come on, Mark. Get him. Right there. Breathe, Mark.
Mark, relax. Keep working, keep working.
Come on, Marcus.
Good, Mark. Come on.
Hey, Mark, breathe and recover right now. Get some strength. Yes.
Throw it. Right hook, right hook.
I like it. I like it. Keep that elbow in. Keep that elbow in.
Work up, work up.
Let's go.
Good.
Let's go.
Work up.
Come on, Mark.
Nice. Good, Bruce. Good. Stand up. Get up.
Come on, Mark. Breathe. Breathe.
Now leg up.
Fighters up! Continue.
Go, Mark.
Bring him down. Bring him down. Yeah, dish it out, Mark. Dish it out. Good defense back.
Right, Mark, come on.
You can't match your kick. Up, up, up! Lift him, lift him, lift him!
Take him down.
Control his leg, Mark.
Mark, you didn't mark that punch, Mark.
Now get your elbows into your thigh and pass that guard. Pass it. Pass it with your left leg.
That's that guard, Mark.
Get it over. Get it over.
Mark your punches, Mark.
Watch that triangle. Watch that
Those
triangle.
passes, yeah. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Work those legs.
Red, red,
Those
red!
legs, Mark.
Up down, Mark. Up
Right
down.
hand. Work those wrists. There you go. Keep doing it.
Work on those red! Tire him out, work on the red!
Work on it, Mark.
Breathe,
They're
Mark.
gonna stand you up, man. You gotta work.
You gotta do something, Mark.
There you go, Mark. Keep doing that, man. Pound